Are your listings struggling to impress? Let's face it, first impressions matter. TidyTex Home Cleaning is here to transform your spaces into buyer-ready showstoppers. As a proud veteran-owned business based in San Antonio, we understand the importance of attention to detail and reliability. Our professional cleaning services are tailored specifically for real estate agents like you. We help prepare homes for sale by ensuring every corner shines, making it easier to close deals faster. Imagine your listings sparkling clean just in time for open houses or buyer visits, thanks to our quick turnaround times. Our team is flexible and ready to tackle any job, big or small. Tidy tip for realtors. Enhance your home's appeal for little to no cost by opening all the blinds and turning on lights before a showing. This simple trick creates a bright, inviting atmosphere that highlights your property's best features and helps buyers feel comfortable. Ready to elevate your listings? Reach out to TidyTex today. Check the video description for more details and contact us today for your cleaning needs. Together, let's make your properties shine and attract the buyers they deserve.